Plan time budget for jobs. TaxDome allows you to assess the time allocated for jobs, helping to maintain efficiency and profitability. For example, if the time budget is 10 hours and the track time is 6 hours, the time variance will be 4 hours, and the budget time spent will be 60%. In this video, we will teach you how to use the features designed to help you accurately plan and manage your team's time. First, you need to use time entries and link them to jobs. Time entries help set the budget in hours, analyze the time spent, or build reports. A time budget is most effective when you use time entries linked to jobs. The quickest way to do this is by tracking time from the job card. The second step is setting up access rights for your team members. Only the firm owner and admins can manage the time budget by default. However, if you want your team members to be responsible for the time budget when they create jobs or to compare the allocated time with the time they've already spent, you can enable additional access rights for them. To do this, go to the Team and Plans page under the Settings section, select the team member you want to grant access to, then click the Edit button next to Access Rights and turn on the toggle for Manage Time Budget. Now we can start setting a time budget. You can fill in the time budget field in hours and minutes directly from the job card, or go to the Jobs page under the Workflow section and edit the time budget column. If you don't see this column, click the Settings button to check if it's hidden. Once you have all the necessary information, you can analyze the time variance. There are several ways to check it. You can analyze time variance from the job list and job filters. In this way, you can check time variance when you need to assign new jobs or identify active jobs that are out of budget and take action if required. Or, if you want to find all active jobs where track time significantly exceeds the time budget, filter jobs by budget time spent greater than 100. You can also check the time variance for one job right on the job card. Another way to analyze the time variance is through the pre-built dashboard. You can find this on the dashboard page under the Reporting section. It's an excellent tool for analyzing time variance over some time. You'll be able to see who was overloaded or who took on more or less responsibility than others.